Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can log in Credit Karma. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First and foremost, to create an account in Credit Karma, all you need to do is simply tap on the Credit Karma app. So once you tap it on, you need to hit the login option, and once you hit the login button, you will end up in this page where all you need to do is type in your email address of your account and type in the password of your account which you had set while you had signed up or created an account previously. Once you have filled both the necessary credentials, all you need to do is simply tap on the continue button. Otherwise, you can simply tap on the try another way as well to reset your account's password. So this is how you log in into your Credit Karma account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.